Hey y'all, we're Josh and Rebecca Addair, and we are so proud to share our story with you. From being raised in a small coal mining town of Matewan, West Virginia, to moving to our dream home in East Tennessee.
When we first laid eyes on our 110-year-old farmhouse, our hearts were filled with nothing but pure joy. We knew right then that this place was going to be our sanctuary and a place for others to gather and experience true mountain hospitality.
We're true Appalachian folk who show our love with a good meal, laughter, a helping hand, and a prayer when needed. Our goal is to give you an authentic look into the Addair family and the wonderful craziness that is our blessed life.
So y'all come on in and make yourselves comfortable. We're glad to have you here, and we can't wait to share a little slice of mountain life with each of you. Welcome home, friends.
Hey y'all, welcome to this episode of Addair's Farmhouse. Now, I just want to go ahead and preface this by saying, in this video, I'm going to be flying solo. Well, not really solo. As you'll see, I have a great little helper. But this is one of those episodes that literally I flew solo on. I'm talking, I played cameraman and everything for this episode. And I think you'll be able to tell that. My apologies. But this is the real look into our house. You know, right now, life is so busy and life is so crazy. We've got both kids that are in sports. Both of us are working full time. Both of us are filming the show. Both of us are serving our church and our ministry. We are just going wide open currently. So this was filmed on a day where Rebecca is Israel's cheerleading coach, and she had a game and Noah had a game, and we were trying to put something warm on the table for the family, and I just had an open opportunity to do so. So I was the one who got picked that day for it, and I wanted to document it and show you all just a quick crock pot recipe from our family that you can use on a crazy busy day. So yeah, again, sorry, it's a little hectic, but this is real life. So welcome, hope you enjoy it, hope you'll take this recipe and use it for your family. Hope you enjoy it. So currently in the crock pot we have got 2 large chicken breasts, a diced onion, and then we're going to go in with a can of cream of chicken. A can of cream of mushroom. And then 2 packets of this chicken and broccoli, the Nor's chicken and broccoli rice. And then I'm going to take my can from my cream of chicken and I'm going to fill it with chicken broth. And we're going to go in with 2 cans of chicken broth. Okay. And I've got my crock pot on. We're just going to cook this on low for 6 hours. And there we go. And we should be good to go. We're going to head off to work now, and we'll come back and show you what we do with this.
If you have a business and are looking for an interesting way to advertise, email us at addairsfarmhouse@gmail.com. Okay, so I've made it home from work with this girl, and we're going to check on this in the crock pot. Looks great.
So now I'm just gonna take my knife and shred up this chicken and then mix all this together. It's hard to do one-handed, so hang on. And now I'm going to add some frozen broccoli and some mild cheddar cheese. I'm gonna turn this back on. We're gonna slow cook for just about 30 minutes on high. And we should have dinner. While that is finishing up, I'm gonna go ahead and make some homemade biscuits, and I'm gonna show you how to whip those up real quick. In my cast iron, I'm gonna do just a couple of big spoonfuls of shortening, and I'm gonna throw this in the oven to preheat to 425.
Hello.
In a mixing bowl, I'm just gonna throw in some Martha White self-rising flour here, and Israel's gonna sift it for us. Okay, hold this up. Now turn the crank. There you go, good job. Oh, too much.
Is that it?
Nope. Okay, you're good.
Now we need to clean up this.
Yeah, you better go wipe that off. Just a little bit more in here.
It's that for you.
Thanks.
That's when I clean me up.
Okay. That's
So
done.
back to that. We'll go back to here. Right
Just
there.
gonna make me a little whale here.
Whale. How do you make a whale?
A little hole.
Oh, can I help? I make a hole.
It's okay, I got it.
Huh? I mean, I can dig a hole, because if I had a shovel, I could.
You got a shovel? Okay.
Same shovel. Because I can do it with this hand.
I got some whole buttermilk. I'm just going to add to my little well.
In my little hallway.
Yeah.
Why are you adding it in your
I'm
hallway?
going to set that right there.
And use my
And
whale
wait
again?
for the oven to preheat. So now I've got my oil from my pan. I'm going to just dump it down here in this milk. They say you don't want your oil hitting your flour directly because it'll do something weird to it. I don't know. Now I'm gonna just mix this together.
Oh.
And if it seems a little too thick, and it does, I'm gonna add in some more buttermilk. And if that don't seem to do the trick, because you kind of want like a real thick pancake consistency, I'm gonna add in a little bit of water.
I have sticky notes.
Okay, and that's a good consistency. Okay. Sweet. All right, now I'm gonna just
Golden handle.
spoon these off in here.
Spoon them off. Good old spoon. I have some.
This is Mama Gail's recipe. I don't know if y'all watch her on TikTok. She was also just on Food Network. She won a cooking show on there. And she's from East Tennessee, or she's from East Kentucky, back where we're from originally. So, love Mama Gail. She's become such a sweet friend of mine on Facebook or on TikTok. She and I are always just commenting and loving on each other's stuff. She's precious, absolutely precious.
It's like you're making a flower.
Kind of. It does look like a flower, don't it?
Yeah. Except the middle. Now it does.
Now it does.
You just need to cover those little black.
Yep. Any of them that just look a little small, look like they need a little more extra goodness, we're going to throw them some extra on there.
I thought you just said baby. Now it actually looks like a flower.
It does, don't it?
Yes.
And then before we actually put these in, I got a little bit of that shortening, and I'm gonna just kind of spread it on the tops of these.
Put all of it on the top and just.
This kind of keeps them from getting too hard. Shh. Now, and also, let me tell you, Mama Gail, I didn't tell y'all this, she won the episode she was on with these biscuits right here. So these are Food Network award-winning biscuits. These biscuits won $10,000.
Yeah.
All right,
And that
so
is a lot for biscuits.
okay, easy enough. Now these are going to go in the oven on 450 for about 20-25 minutes. All right, so these into the oven for 20 to 25 minutes on 450. If you would like to advertise your business during an episode of Addair's Farmhouse, feel free to email addairsfarmhouse@gmail.com. So everything is ready to go. Let's take a look at the crock pot.